Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab A11 and let me share with you how to turn off ads and their personalization. Alright, so I'd like to begin with the personalization. We have to open the settings first of all. Then right here we have to scroll and find this Google services, so just tap on Google and go to all services. Here scroll and find ads. And basically, I've previously removed my advertising ID, but if you've got yours saved, you will have two additional options here, which are called Delete Advertising ID and Reset Advertising ID. Basically, managing this option will not remove all of the advertisements you're notified about, but basically the personalization of them will be a little bit lower, so they won't be that suitable for you. So what I highly recommend to do here is to simply tap on, first of all, Reset Advertising ID, confirm it, and then tap on Delete Advertising ID, thanks to which your device will simply remove it. Another thing which I highly recommend to do is to check the notifications. So for example, let's pretend that I'm receiving a lot of annoying notifications from the Play Store about buying something or whatever. What I highly recommend to do is to simply turn off the notifications. So tap on the app and hold it, and then tap on this info icon here. Then let's go to notifications, and all you have to do is to simply tap on this switcher here. Obviously, it will turn off all of the notifications, so make sure that you're not receiving something important from this app. However, if you're receiving only the advertisements, then I think this is a good way to get rid of that. Another thing which I highly recommend to do is to check for the replacement of specific apps. So for example, if you're using, I don't know, a third-party file manager which is showing you a lot of notifications, a lot of advertisements, I highly recommend to simply go to the Play Store, tap on the search icon, search bar actually, and enter file manager. That's only the example, of course. Just try to find a replacement for the app which causes a lot of problems to you. And as you can see, after entering file manager, here we've got the full list of free available file managers, thanks to which you will be able to find a replacement for your previous app and hopefully not get a lot of that much advertisements. Another thing what you can do here in the Play Store is to find the blocker. So simply tap on search and enter adblock or adblocker or something like that. And I highly recommend to download the ad blockers for your browser. As you can see, they are made specifically for the specific browser. So for example, the Firefox, somewhere here will be probably the Opera, the Samsung Internet, etc. You can also check the ad detector and ad blocker, etc., etc. Just try to download those which are highly rated and those which are verified, thanks to which you will simply download something which is safe for your device, and for sure it will block the unwanted advertisements. And as a last resort, I also highly recommend to check your DNS. So go to the settings. Here in this left section, we have to go to the very top to go to the connections. And here go to more connection settings. Tap on Private DNS and change it to the private DNS provider hostname. Tap on Save, and for some reason we cannot do that. We cannot really do that. Oh, we can, sorry. Alright, so we've got the automatic one, just tap on private, and here we've got this option, enter hostname or DNS provider. And what we have to do here is to enter dns.adguard.com. Okay, and tap on save. And thanks to it, your device will limit the advertisements. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.